as you can see right on your screen, I made one snip and I got 2 clicks from that snip, and then I got 1 conversion just with 2 clicks. Okay, I am going to show you how to do everything in this video, and you can repeat this as many times as you like every single day. Alright, so as you can see right on the screen, this is a dog landing page. Is actually a content locker. Alright, once you send your visitors to this landing page, once they click on this download button to get this ebook, content locker is going to pop up, and once they complete the offer, they get redirected to download this ebook. And also, this is a cpalead landing page. You can also do this exact strategy with cpagrip or AdWork Media, okay, or any other CPA network that you are working with. The first thing you are going to do is you want to create a Sniply account. So if you don't have one already, so I'm gonna log out of this account now so that I'll show you how to create an account with them. So the website is sniply.io. okay, so once you come to this website, this is what you are going to see. So for those who don't know what Sniply is, so I am going to explain it briefly. So Sniply is basically like a URL shortener. It shortens the link in a way that you will have another link under the page which will redirect to wherever you want the visitors to go. So it's basically like a banner under the website. And don't worry, I know this explanation might not do the job, so I am going to show you what it looks like exactly, and then you will understand how it works. And also, as you can see on the page here, it says more than 100,000 marketers are using it. Yes, and a lot of people are getting a lot of conversions using this Sniply. Okay, so let's create an account with Sniply real quick. It's a free platform. You can use it for absolutely free, although they have some paid options, but the free option is good enough to get the job done. All right, so once you come to the website, you want to click on get started for free. So once you click on that, you want to click on this basic plan. Okay, you want to scroll down and click on this basic plan. So once you do that, you are going to input your name, your email address and password, and they will send a confirmation mail that looks like this. So once you do that, you will get your account approved right away. But for me, I am just going to log in since I have an account with them already. Okay, so once you are in your account, this is what it's going to look like. And if it doesn't look like this, you want to click on dashboard. So the next thing you want to do is you want to go to Google. And now, as you can see, we are using this dog training landing page as an example. So once we head over to Google, you want to type in dog training tips. Okay, so once you type in dog training tips, you want to click on one of the first websites from the search results. All right, so let's go with the first one. So basically, as you can see, these are tips on how to train a dog. Okay, so the next thing you are going to do is you want to pop up your notepad. All right, so once you do that, you want to copy the headlines. So let's copy this real quick, and then you want to paste it on that notepad, and then you want to write this. You just want to copy the headline. All right, you don't want to copy the whole thing. So once you copy this, okay, so don't worry, this might not make sense. I am going to explain as we go. So basically, what you want to do is you want to copy every tip and put it on this list. And don't worry, I am going to show you why we need to do this. As you can see here, all I'm just doing is copying the tips. I am not copying the article itself. So let me copy the third one. So I am going to stop at this third one so I don't make this video too long. So basically, you want to copy every tip onto the last tip. All right, so once you've copied this tip, you want to head on to facebook.com. So once you head on to facebook.com, you want to search for dog lovers or dog. As you can see here, there are other suggestions from Facebook that you can search for. Okay, and as you can see, this group here are highly active. This one gets 290 posts a day, 70 a day, 200 a day. And don't worry, like I always say, we are not going to spam these Facebook groups because they are going to kick us out of the group if we do that. Once you are in the Facebook group, let's take this first one as an example. So now that we are in the Facebook group, before we do anything, we want to go back to our Sniply account. So once you go back to the Sniply account, you want to head over to this create snip. So you want to go and copy the link of this website, the link to this page, actually not the website, okay, the link to this exact page. We want to paste it on this Sniply. So once we paste it on this Sniply, you want to click on create snip. Okay, so before you create a snip, I actually skipped a step. There was something I ought to have explained before you create a snip, which is if you come to any of the website, all right, before you copy any of the tips, which is the one we wrote on this notepad, okay, before you copy any tips down, you want to come to this, you want to copy the link first, you want to paste it on Sniply. So let me show you an example of what I mean. All right, so as Sniply is checking, you can see here there's an error message here which says we can't show CTAs on this page. Okay, so any website that is like this, you want to X out of this type of website is not going to work with this method. So I wanted to make that clear. So you want to go back to Google and then you want to look at other websites on this page, because if any website is on the first page on Google, then that website must have good content. So let's check this one. Okay, as you can see, this one too also has tips, just like the first website. Okay, you can see there are another tips here, there's another one here. So let's check on Sniply and see if we can use this website. So you paste it on this and click on create snip. As you can see here, this is a green checkbox that this website is going to work for this method. What this basically means is, so once anybody click on that Sniply link, they will actually be redirected to this website. Just like I said in the beginning of the video, Sniply acts like a URL shortener. All right, so as you can see right here, this is the website, just the website we clicked on this box. You can see it right here. But the good thing now is the benefit of Sniply is that Sniply is going to leave something that looks like a banner at the bottom of the page. And now this is what Sniply is going to leave on the page of the website. So anybody who clicks your link to access this website, they will actually be redirected to the actual website. But then Sniply is going to leave something that looks like a banner like this at the bottom of the page. So once the user visits the website, they can actually see this, see your content, and if they click on the link, they will be redirected to your content locker. So I am going to show you how to do it. So the call to action now, you can have this say anything you want. All right, so once you come to the next section here, you want to click on this new call to action. So once you click on that, you want to choose, this is the name I used to create the account. As you can see, this is the name, this is the only account I can use. If I want to select this brand new, then I must upgrade to their premium plan. So I forgot to mention something in the beginning, but I'll go back to it before we end this video. So you want to click on this weight loss tips. So once you click on that, all right, so you want to select what you want the Sniply to be. Do you want it to be a button? Do you want it to be a link? Or do you want it to be a form? As you can see, these ones are in the premium version. All right, so you want to select a button. So once you select a button, then you want to write a nice message, something like train your dog in 7 days. Just as you can see at the bottom here, it says the same thing. And here you want to click, you want to type in download. All right, now this is the juicy part. This is where you are going to place the link to this content locker. And like I said, this is a cpalead content locker. You can go on cpagrip as well to use cpagrip content locker. All right, so there are a lot of videos on the channel on how to create content locker in 5 minutes. So once you copy the link to this page here and you click on continue, okay, so everything is fine. So just click on finish CTA. All right, so we won't be able to upload our image here because we don't have the premium version. As you can see here, all this has the locked icon, which means we have to upgrade to use it, but you don't need to. All right, so you click on finish CTA. So once you finish, you want to grab your Sniply link. So once you copy this link, then you want to paste the link and test it out. As you can see, it brought us to that page, and now you can see this is what we wrote at the bottom of the page. So whenever any visitor comes to this website, they will definitely see this at the bottom of the page. As you can see, it doesn't even go down, it just stuck at this section of the page. As you can see, it doesn't scroll down, it's just there so they can easily see it. So once they click on this download, so if I click on it now, as you can see, it brought me to this content locker landing page. All right, so how do we promote this Sniply? How do we make money from it? So how do you promote this landing page now so how do you promote the Sniply? It's simple. Once you grab your Sniply link, you want to go to Facebook with links, because that method doesn't work. Okay, so you want to click on create post and you want to grab these tips that we copied from that website, and then you want to paste it in here. As you can see, this is giving value to people in this group. All right, if they see this type of post, they know you are giving them value in the group and you are not just trying to spam your link around. All right, so once you do that, then you want to type something like source, and then this is where your Sniply link comes in. So let's go grab the Sniply link. So this is the Sniply link right here. So we copy it, we go back to Facebook and we paste in the link right there. So it's basically simple. As you can see here, the link already popped up. So I told you, Sniply acts like a URL shortener. So this is not a content locker. Nobody is going to ban this. This was how I did it for testing purpose, and I got one conversion with just 2 clicks on the link. So basically, this is how you do it. You join as many Facebook groups as you can and then give them value in the Facebook group, but never link them directly to a content locker like this. It's going to come off as spamming. But if you link them to a website like this and they see your Sniply link at the bottom which says they can get free 7 days training for their dog, all right, once they click on it, they complete your offers, you make money, they get what they want, everybody wins. Okay, now I remember that I talked about something, which was, if we go back to this Sniply, okay, if you remember when we were making this Sniply page, it was showing these weight loss tips. All right, so you want to make sure when you are creating your Sniply account, you want to make sure whatever is going to appear here must be related to the niche you are promoting. So let me show you an example of what I mean. So if we go back, so if we click on this link right here, as you can see, our Sniply link popped up. You can see here it's saying weight loss tips, and this page is about dog training. As you can see, it doesn't make sense at all. So how to avoid this? When you are creating your Sniply account, so let me go back, let me log out of my account so that you get a clear picture of what I mean. So I'm going to log out of my account now. So once you click on that get started, okay, and then you click on this basic, all right, this is where you want to put in the name of your niche. If you are in the dog niche, then you want to use something like dog training or dog trainer. All right, you get the point. So whatever niche you are working with, you want to put the name here because that is the name that is going to appear on this page. I hope that makes sense. All right, so if you find any value in this video, please smash that like button, leave me a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.